Hey berries, today we are going to make some beach wave spray. What it does is to make your hair wavy like if you were at the beach. So what you will need is some conditioner, a spray bottle with water, some salt, some hairspray or hair gel, a spoon, and optional a piece of paper. So what you're going to do is already pour this water into the spray bottle. Then take off the cap. We are going to add a bit of conditioner. Then you are going to add some salt, but to not make the salt go all over the place, you are going to make a paper funnel. Put it right there. I think it may be too big. You can put it right there. Try to put it in there. Then just grab salt. You're gonna have to add a lot of salt to make it like ocean water. Then you are going to add some hairspray or hair gel. It's not going out. Oh. Okay. Might want to push it down a little bit. It's better to use like hair gel. It's just to make it stay longer. I think that's good. Then you're going to put it in and shake it. Want to get that conditioner all over the place? And if it goes like that in a layer, it's okay. Ooh, splashes. Now let's test it out. It smells like the beach. And it's getting kind of wavy. You can add as much as you want to get that wave look and don't have to go to the beach. Please comment and subscribe down below and like.